First line. World Migratory Bird Day is celebrated to protect migratory birds around the world. Second line. It is observed twice a year, usually in May and October. Third line. This day spreads awareness about the importance of birds in nature. Fourth line. Migratory birds travel long distances from one country to another. Fifth line. Birds migrate to find food, better weather, and safe breeding places. Sixth line. Many migratory birds are in danger because of pollution and habitat loss. Seventh line. People celebrate this day through bird watching and educational programs. Eighth line. Schools and organizations also conduct activities to save birds. Ninth line. We should protect forests, rivers, and wetlands for birds. 10th line. World Migratory Bird Day teaches us to care for birds and the environment.